Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change eye color in Smith. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just first of all open the menu, go to appearance, and just right here we need to select this option appearance. Here you need to choose your preset and just click on this option edit face. Now here we need to go to makeup, choose this option pupils, and just right here you'll able to see eyes. So you can just choose the one which you like. So let's say I want to choose this one. I need to click on preview, then hit complete. In order to save the changes, select this option customization plan, and to apply the changes you should have at least one water lady script, and you can grab them from here. You would need like 200 eco jade in order to purchase this. You can easily purchase that, and once you purchase it you can easily hit complete, confirm. And yes, you can see the color of the eyes are now changed, and that's exactly how you can change eye color in Smith. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.